What is the #1 tactic to improve brand awareness?
Social media?
Email?
Paid media?
If you guessed video, you'd be right.
That's right. High quality video is the #1 most effective way to increase brand awareness.
And Studio 281 makes it easier than ever.
Your prospects need to establish trust, authenticity, and credibility before they become customers. Talking head videos are the answer. When your company leaders, industry experts, or team members speak directly to the camera, you do exactly that.
Podcasts are a powerful way to position your brand as an authority, engage your ideal audience, and generate leads.
With our professional podcasting setup, you can create industry-specific content that speaks directly to your audience.
When words alone aren't enough, whiteboard videos make your message clear. Using the whiteboard as a tool, you can break down information in a way that captivates and educates.
Go live and connect with your audience in real time. With our Webcam Zone, you can host live demos, interactive webinars, and engaging presentations to showcase your products and services on demand.
Video is the best way to build brand awareness, and Studio 281 is where you can make it happen.
Getting started is easy. Step 1, schedule a free consultation.
Step 2, attend your filming session.
Step 3, showcase your video to amplify, elevate, and establish your brand.